Everyone, this is Donovan Gord. I want to check out my Angry Bird collection. The first one is Red Ripper. He's always the leader of the Angry Birds, but he's bigger than the old Angry Bird. And now that we have here is Bluebird. He's kind of good, but bad. And now we have Bluebird. Bluebird is a good one, but this Angry Bird is sad. I mean, surprise. Well, this one looks kind of sad. Well, he shoots eggs. And this one is the yellow bird, like Trey. And he has this beard top on his head. And you couldn't see the feather, but you could pull out and see it a little. And you could cut out and you could see the feather so well. This is Hatch. He always spins them around, but he's a new bird. And now I'm going to show you the new Angry Birds. Then I could tell you the regular ones. This one has a wizard hat on. This one has a Santa hat on him. This is Bomb. He always explodes and he always makes sounds, but kind of different like Bluebird. This is Red Ripper Stain, and I just know that he's red. He's squishy like Red Ripper, and he's red like Red Ripper. This is Trey. He goes super fast, and he always don't make a flash. You could go right next to Hatch and Bombo. Now I'm going to show you my Angry Pigs. This one has a helmet, but all busted up. But that's okay. He could love the other ones. Then here's the King Angry Pig. He has a crown, but on Mom's phone, he doesn't. Well, I wish I could have the same thing like Mom. And this is the regular Angry Pig. And this is Angry Pig. I thought he was real, but you could hang him on your backpack. This one has a pumpkin head on them. He could go with the different ones. And this has a mustache, and he's always kind of different, but sort of. Thank you for asking me. You're welcome.